If you want to maintain the integrity of the signal, if you want to safeguard its health and well-being, then you seclude it from any kind of interference whatsoever. And that's exactly what the human race has done. And that's when we decided to take him out of the toke circle. The shadow puppets on the walls was our first warning. I tell you, it was a look of pure tenderness. I've got to the point in my life where I've seen a lot of films. The other day, I was putting my socks on and it took 4 minutes. Hey, baby! One can trace the origins of nihilism to our cultural systematicity. Instrumental rationality is essentially the evil of the modern world, but that doesn't stop tuna being a meaty fish. Wait a minute, I'm in Prague time. Feelings. Nothing more than feelings. Wonderful clouds today. They remind me of 1982. What mathematics is the Heraclitean logos, and a circle is essentially a pattern of relations, a figure of infinity mapped upon a two-dimensional plane. But this doesn't get away from the fact that tuna is still a meaty fish. Goddamn pedal bins. My lungs are going to be fucked.